In the heart of Nicaragua, where volcanic soil breathes life into the world's most coveted tobacco, a legend is born. This is the story of the aging Room Quattro Nicaragua Maestro, a cigar that isn't just smoked, but experienced. It begins with the seed, a promise of greatness nurtured under the watchful eye of the sun and the gentle hand of the farmer. Each leaf is a testament to a legacy, a tradition passed down through generations. The journey from field to factory is one of patience and precision. The leaves harvested at their peak embark on a slow, deliberate aging process. In the quiet darkness of the curing barns, they transform, developing the deep, complex flavors that will define their character. This is where time works its magic, weaving a tapestry of aroma and taste that is uniquely Nicaraguan. Inside the rolling factory, the air is thick with the sweet scent of aged tobacco. Here, skilled artisans, the torcedores, take center stage. Their hands move with a rhythm born of years of dedication, a dance of dexterity and intuition. Each cigar is a masterpiece, meticulously crafted from a blend of 100% Nicaraguan tobaccos. The wrapper, a rich oily leaf, is carefully selected to encase the perfectly balanced binder and filler. The construction is flawless, a firm, even roll that promises an effortless draw. When you hold the Maestro, you feel the weight of its heritage. The band, elegant and distinguished, hints at the quality within. It's more than just a cigar. It's a work of art, a symbol of an unwavering commitment to excellence. This dedication didn't go unnoticed. In 2019, it was crowned Cigar of the Year, a monumental achievement that solidified its place in the pantheon of legendary smokes. Lighting the aging Room Quattro Nicaragua Maestro is a ritual. The first draw releases an symphony of flavors. Notes of dark chocolate and rich espresso mingle with hints of sweet cedar and a subtle black pepper spice. The smoke is dense, creamy, and voluminous, coating the palate with a luxurious smoothness. It's a full-bodied experience, yet remarkably balanced, never overwhelming. As the cigar burns, its complexity unfolds. The initial boldness gives way to a nuanced sweetness, with undertones of roasted nuts and a touch of leather emerging. Each puff is a discovery, a new layer revealed. The burn is razor-sharp, a testament to its impeccable construction, leaving behind a firm, white ashtar hallmark of perfectly aged tobacco and expert craftsmanship. This is a cigar for the moments that matter. The moments of reflection, of celebration, of quiet contemplation. It's a companion for deep conversations and solitary peace. It doesn't just mark time, it makes time stand still. It invites you to slow down, to savor the present, and to appreciate the artistry in your hand. The aging Room Quattro Nicaragua Maestro is more than just a blend of fine tobaccos. It is the culmination of a shared passion between two giants of the industry, Rafael Nodal and AJ Fernandez. It's a story of collaboration, a fusion of vision and expertise. It represents the pinnacle of Nicaraguan cigar making, a bold expression of the soil, the climate, and the people who pour their souls into every single leaf. From the sun-drenched fields of Esteli to the final satisfying puff, the Maestro delivers an unforgettable journey. It is a tribute to tradition, a celebration of craftsmanship, and a bold statement of quality. An experience that lingers long after the smoke has cleared, leaving a lasting impression of pure tobacco perfection. This is the art of the cigar perfected. This is the aging Room Quattro Nicaragua Maestro.